Good morning, dear students. Myself, Yogesh Kanade, lecturer at Dhule Charitable Society's Institute of Pharmacy, Devpur, Dhule. In previous lecture, we have studied about sleep, meaning of hypnotics and sedatives, classification of hypnotics and sedatives. In today's lecture, we are going to study the first class of hypnotics and sedatives, that is barbiturates. This is the first class, that is barbiturates. Barbiturate is a general term used for all derivatives of barbituric acid. All derivatives of barbituric acid means those drug which is having the basic structure of 2, 4, 6 trioxohexahydropyrimidine. Barbituric acid कशाला म्हणता? Every structure which is having प्रत्येक ड्रग ज्याच्यामध्ये बेसिक रिंग प्रेझेंट आहे बार्बिच्युरिक ऍसिड, ज्याचं केमिकल नेम आहे 2,4,6 ट्रायऑक्सो हेक्साहायड्रोपायरिमिडिन. 2,4,6 trioxohexahydropyrimidine. Now how the chemical name is given? See this structure properly. I have given the numbering to the structure. If I see this, I will come to know that it is a basic structure of pyrimidine. See, this is the structure of pyrimidine. At first and third position, nitrogen heteroatoms are present and it is a 6-membered ring. But if I compare this structure with the structure of barbituric acid, what is the difference? In pyrimidine, 3 double bonds are present, but in case of barbituric acid, 3 double bonds are absent. And at second, fourth and sixth position, oxygen group is present, therefore 2,4,6 trioxo. At every position the double bond is absent and it is represented by the word hexahydro. Hexa means there are total 6 positions. Hexahydro मध्ये काय आहे? There are total 6 positions. Therefore hexahydropyrimidine, that is the chemical name. You can write down hexahydro or you can write down perhydropyrimidine also. Both of them are correct, and it is a saturated nitrogen. Therefore there is addition of your hydrogen to complete the valency. Actually barbituric acid itself do not have any hypnotic or sedative activity, but substitution of alkyl or aryl group. Alkyl means methyl, ethyl, propyl, etc. or aryl group. Aryl means phenyl, that is the example of your aryl group. If this alkyl or aryl group is present at this 5th position, both the groups are responsible for producing hypnotic and sedative activity. Barbiturates are colorless crystalline solids. They are very poorly soluble in water. But if barbiturates are converted into their salt forms like sodium, salts, their solubility in water increases. Barbiturates have certain disadvantages like drug tolerance, drug abuse, drug dependence, hangover, etc. That are the adverse effect or disadvantages of your barbiturates. Now we will see the drugs from the class of your barbiturates. The first drug, that is phenobarbital. Now this is the structure of your phenobarbital. Now according to the nomenclature rules, first identify the basic heterocyclic ring. The basic heterocyclic ring is pyrimidine. So this is your basic heterocyclic ring. What is the ring? That is Two heteroatoms are present at first and third position. That is the structure of your pyrimidine. Now, according to the rules of your heterocyclic rings, give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now, if you will see that at fifth position, one phenyl group is present and one ethyl group is present. Fifth position ला काय है? एक phenyl group present है आणि एक ethyl group present है. Now write down the chemical name. First you are going to write down the name of the substituents followed by their positions in alphabetical order. Therefore I have written 5 ethyl, 5 phenyl, and this total ring is of your barbituric acid. Therefore I have written barbituric acid. Or you can write down the second chemical name also, that is 5 ethyl, 5 phenyl, 2, 4, that is 2, this is 4, 6, trioxo. Oxygen atom present है second, fourth and sixth position. Therefore 2, 4, 6 trioxo. Absence of double bond, therefore hexahydropyrimidine. Hexahydropyrimidine. This is the chemical name of phenobarbitone. Properties: it occurs as white crystals or white crystalline powder, odorless, slightly bitter taste. It is slightly soluble in water, very soluble in chloroform. It is soluble in aqueous solutions of alkali hydroxides and carbonates. Then stability storage. It is a stable compound, therefore stored in well-closed containers. Uses: as the name itself, it is used in treatment of insomnia, and if given in smaller doses, it is used as a sedative to produce a calming effect. Along with that, it is also used as anticonvulsant. Anticonvulsant means the drugs which are used in treatment of convulsions or epilepsy, ज्याला आपण फिट येणं म्हणतो, त्याच्या ट्रीटमेंट मध्ये सुद्धा you can use the drug that is phenobarbitone, particularly in treatment of grand mal and psychomotor epilepsy. Phenobarbitone is also used to reduce hyperbilirubinemia condition in neonatal jaundice. Hyperbilirubinemia means whenever in a child there is RBC breakdown or liver disease or hypothyroidism or metabolic disorders, it increases metabolism of bilirubin. Hyperbilirubinemia म्हणजे काय? There has been increase in bilirubin concentration in your blood, that we referred as hyperbilirubinemia. Phenobarbitone काय करतो? Phenobarbitone is going to increase the metabolism of bilirubin and it will bring it to the normal level, that is phenobarbitone. Official preparation: phenobarbitone tablet IPBP, phenobarbitone injection IPBP, phenobarbitone elixir, which is official in your BPC, that is British Pharmaceutical Cortex. Brand names: Gardinal, Luminal, Caroin, Betal, Thiominal are the brand names or trade names of phenobarbitone. Then the next drug, that is butobarbitone. Properties: white crystalline powder, slightly bitter taste, having a slight odor, slightly soluble in water, freely soluble in alcohol, soluble in solutions of alkali hydroxides and carbonates. It is a stable compound, therefore stored in well-closed containers. Uses: same, it is used in treatment of insomnia and to produce a calming effect. It is also used in pre-anesthetic medication, which you have studied in your first chapter, that is pre-anesthetic medication, to induce quiet and restful condition in patients. Official preparation: butobarbitone tablet, which is official in your British Pharmacopoeia. Brand names: Butomed, Soneril, Ethobral are the brand names of your butobarbitone. The next drug, cyclobarbitone. Properties: it is white or slightly yellowish, odorless crystalline powder, sparingly soluble in water, practically insoluble in ether, in chloroform. It has a bitter taste. Stability storage: it is affected by moisture, therefore stored in tightly closed containers. Uses: it is used in pre-anesthetic medication. It is used in treatment of insomnia and to produce a calming effect. Official preparation: cyclobarbitone tablet, which is official in your IP and BP. Brand names: Cyclomet, Cyclonel, Rabidal are the brand names of cyclobarbitone. Then the next drugs, mefobarbitone. Mefobarbitone occurs as white crystalline powder, odorless, bitter taste, slightly soluble in water, soluble in solutions of alkali hydroxides and carbonates. Stability storage: it is a stable compound, hence stored in well-closed containers. Uses: it is used for relief of anxiety and tension, as an anticonvulsant or as an antiepileptic drug. It is used in treatment of tonic-clonic seizures. Official preparation: mefobarbitone tablet, official in IPBP. Brand names: Prominal is a famous brand name of mefobarbitone. Then the next drug, that is thiopentone. Properties: it occurs as white or yellowish white crystalline powder, hygroscopic in nature. It is freely soluble in water, practically insoluble in ether and in benzene. It has a characteristic odor and bitter taste. Stability storage condition: it is decomposed by atmospheric oxygen, causing precipitation of it, and also affected by light, hence stored in tightly closed light resistant containers. Uses: it is used in treatment of epilepsy. It is used for induction of general anesthesia. It is used as hypnotic and sedative. It is used for prevention and treatment of cerebral ischemia. Cerebral ischemia means a condition in which insufficient supply of oxygen to the brain takes place, which causes death of brain tissue. Cerebral ischemia, it is a condition in which insufficient or poor oxygen supply from the blood to the brain tissue takes place, due to which death of brain tissue occurs. In that condition, you can use the drug that is thiopentone. pentone. Official preparation, thiopentone injection, official in IP and BP. Brand names, Thiojex, Thiosol, Intravel are the brand names of thiopentone. The last drug, that is methoxytone. Properties: white crystalline powder, odorless, hygroscopic in nature, soluble in water, practically insoluble in organic solvents. Stability storage condition: aqueous solutions decompose on keeping solutions which has become discolored or cloudy should not be used. It is affected by air and moisture, therefore stored in tightly closed containers. Uses: it is used as hypnotic and sedative. It is also used intravenously for induction of anesthesia for short surgical procedures. Official preparation: methoxytone injection, which is official in British Pharmacopoeia. Brand names: Brital, Brevital are the brand names of methoxytone. In today's lecture, we have covered the first important class from hypnotics and sedatives, that is barbiturates. We have seen the basic ring, that is barbituric acid, chemical name 2,4,6-trioxo hexahydropyrimidine. Then total drugs we have studied like phenobarbital, mephobarbital, thiopentone, methoxytone, cyclobarbital, butobarbitone, etc. Thank you.